Hello students, I, Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So today we will start chapter 3. Okay, so what it is? Nouns, singular and plural. So we already knew what is noun, what are common nouns, what are proper noun. Let us do a quick revision. So what are common nouns? Common nouns are names given to any person, place, animal or thing in a general sense. So it is a common name of any place, person or thing. But what is proper noun? Proper nouns are the special names given to a particular person, place, animal or thing, and they always start with capital letter. So we knew that proper noun starts with a capital letter. It is a special name. For example, Rahul, Taj Mahal, River Ganga, etc. And in common noun we don't begin with capital letter. Okay, now we will move on to this chapter, singular and plural. So singular means one and plural means more than one. Okay, so this means one and this is more than one. So next we will look at the picture carefully and read its description. Okay, so 5 hunters are riding on their horses. So you see, 5 hunters are riding on their horses. The horses are of different colors. 2 horses are brown, 2 are white, and the one horse is black in color. So you can see. So one hunter is wearing a black coat. So what is he wearing? A black coat. All the other 4 hunters are wearing red coats. So you see, all these given in the red word are singular as well as plural noun. We will know further what are they. 3 dogs are running along with the horses. So 3 dogs are running along with the horses. Okay. So we see that some of the highlighted nouns end with the letter S and some do not. So you can see some of them ends with S, like hunters S, horses S, isn't it? And whereas some of them are like they don't end with S, like horse over here, coat over here. So what are they? We will know. We use the singular form of nouns when we talk about one person, place, animal or thing. So we use singular form when we talk about only one person, place, animal or thing. How many person? Only one person. Example, hunter, jungle, horse, coat. So all these are example of singular nouns. So there is no S added. There is no, not more than one. So you see, there is a one hunter, one jungle, one horse and one coat. So next you see, we use the plural form of nouns when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. So plural when it becomes when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. So more than one. Okay, so that is plural. So example, hunters, jungles, horses, coats. So you see S is added over here. So hunters means not one hunter, more than one hunter. Jungles means not one jungle, more than one jungle. Horses means not one horse, more than one horse. There are many horses. Coats, not one coat, there are many coats. So we will forming plural nouns. So we see we add S. What do we add? S to most nouns to make their plural forms. So we add S like boy become boys, horse become horses, elephant become elephants. So what are we adding? S. You see we are adding S. House become houses, door become doors, giraffe become giraffes. So you see in most of the nouns we just simply add S. What do we add? S. Now next, we add es to the nouns that end in letters s, sh, ss, x or ch. So you can see the ending letter over here is s. If it is s, then we add es. What do we add? Es. Similarly for sh, what do we add? Again es. For s's, again we add es. For x, we add es. Again over here x, what do we add? Es. Now last one is ch. So what do we add? Es. You see? So next we add es. What do we add? Es to most nouns that end in letter O. So whatever noun or whatever word that ends with O, what do we add? We again add es to it. Okay? See, tomato, es, hero, heroes, so es, zero, O, so es. Understood? Next, for most nouns that end in F or EF. So you see, if any noun that ends with F or EF, what do we add? We change that F and EF to V and ES. We add V and then add ES. So you see, wolf, WOLF, and ends with F. So what do we add? A V and ES. Similarly for leaf, again V and ES. Leaves. Knife, F and E ends with FE. So again V plus ES. So you see how does it change? When it ends with F or FE, it changes into V and ES. Okay. Next, for nouns that end in a constant Y. So if any noun ends with a Y, what do we? We drop the Y and add IES. So we remove that Y and add IES. So like baby. So it becomes baby. So we cancel Y and we add IES. Similarly, lady. So ladies. City. Cities. So these are some forming of plural nouns. Next, for nouns that end in a vowel. What is a vowel? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So if any noun that ends in a vowel plus Y. So if there is a vowel and Y, then we just add S. What do we add? Just S. So you see O. O is a vowel and then we have Y. So what do we add? Just a S. Similarly, Ray. A is a vowel. So and Y is there. So we remove that. We don't remove it actually, but we add just S to it. So Ray become rays. Key become keys. You see? So not all nouns follow these rules. So these rules are not followed by all the nouns. There is some difference also. Some have completely different plural forms. So some of the nouns have completely different plural forms. What are they? Like child become children. So man becomes men. Mouse becomes mice. Woman become women. Goose becomes geese and ox become oxen. See? Next, we will move next. A few nouns have the same singular and plural form. So what they have as singular, they also have it as plural. So you see, sheep is sheep, fruit is fruit, deer is deer, fish is fish, aircraft aircraft, moose moose. So you see, there is no change. It is singular and plural. There is no difference between the two. What singular is there? Same word is as plural. So no change in these words. So when we talk about different types of fish and different types of fruit, we use the plural form fishes and fruits. When we talk about different types of fish, okay, then we add fishes, and different types of fruit, then we add S to it and it becomes fruits. For example, the ocean is full of different kinds of fishes. So over here you see fish. In fish we add ES. On the tropical island there are wonderful fruits growing. So what do we add again over here? S, because there are different types of fruit. Not one fruit but different types of fruit is there. Okay. Okay class, now moving forward towards the exercise. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. So you can see lunch, it's ended with CH, so what we added? ES, so lunches. Now fish, over here not all plural nouns changes. You see, fish is fish. Ferry ends with Y, so what did we add? IES. Tooth. So you see, like in goose, double O, what did we change into? Double E. So tooth becomes teeth. Next, you see scarf ends with F. So what did we change it into? VES. See, scarves. Now goose. GOOSE. So double O changes into double ES. Geese. Cherry. Y. So ends in IES. So cherries. Now child. Children. Well. Wells. Bottle. Bottles. See, added just S. Similarly, I would request you to complete this exercise by yourself. See, I have already done it for you. I want you to learn and revise the chapter properly. You see, we have to fill in the blanks using the singular or plural forms given in the bracket. So, like the boys have 10 pens. Pen becomes pens. So, the dash are watching the babies, are watching. So, not only one lady, there are ladies. So, similarly, you will complete this exercise. And that's all for today's class. And I hope you will revise the chapter properly. In the next class, we will move on to chapter number 4, countable and uncountable nouns. So, that's all for today's class. Thank you.